Travis Scott here checking in, man. Today's video, I'm going to show y'all how to always profit, how to continue profiting. Because as y'all know, things go up, but they don't just keep going up. Corrections happen, early investors sell off, et cetera, whatever other news can happen. It doesn't just always go up. And that's why it's important to take profits. Now, what do you do with those profits is completely up to you. I'm more of a long-term investor, so what I like to do with my profits is profit even more. So, Zilliqa, a cryptocurrency I'm not too crazy about. It had some buzz around it over a month ago, and then they kind of lost it. It kind of gained some back. Not really. It more so just what it had was it had a Binance listing. If y'all know, Binance is the largest exchange, the largest cryptocurrency exchange by volume. So Coinbase has more users, but Binance has more whales. It has more people with big balances. So it's bigger by volume, not by more people. So this is what made it go up. But as far as the actual network and stuff like that and its use purpose, nothing new. It's still the same token. So that's why I actually sold off on it. I actually sold all of my Zilliqa and I traded it for more Cardano. Reason I did that is because I am a strong believer in Cardano long term. Cardano is going to have a huge quarter two. So as for March, I mean, it could have a little bit more action. Some people are starting to have their doubts because they're seeing it go down. But I mean, it just had a significant event, the Mary Hartford event that I told y'all about, which I hope y'all took profits on when when it was at $1.50. However, if you're in it for the long term, that's fine. I promise you, Cardano's gonna blow way past $1.50 in quarter two, so I'm not too worried about it at all. So let me show y'all how you continue to profit, right? Because we don't sell down here. We don't sell down here. You know what I'm saying? We buy here and we sell here because, you know what I'm saying, or realistically, we buy around here. I mean, we sell around here just because, it's not really possible to tell the top. So how it went for me this night, I was able to catch this. I actually saw that around 11 p.m. So it was probably somewhere between here. So around 18 cents. I got it at about 11 cents. So pretty good gain for me. But like I said, it wasn't really a coin I was too crazy about. It is up 42% on the week, which I mean that's really good. But keep in mind, I've had it for a long time. I bought it around 12 cents to be honest. I remember I bought it around here, maybe a little bit before that. But so it went down for a sec, and then what I'm saying, pretty much didn't have any type of noise at all for a whole month. It was just staying in the same area, and then that listing happened. So how did I keep profiting after I already profited? What I did was I traded it for another coin. And here's how you play this. You don't sell a token when it's down. That way you could buy something that's up here. Because what's up here is probably going to come right back down here. You know what I'm saying? The buzz is going to die down. Whatever, major event caused it to do this. It already happened. The people who bought it, what I'm saying, way back when it was, let's just say 8 cents or whatever, they're going to sell it and then it's going to do that. So we're not buying it when it's here. We're selling it when it's there and then buying something that's down here. So that's exactly what I did with Cardano, as Cardano did reach $1.50. And then currently down at about like $1.10. This is really where I've been playing around. So what I did up here was I sold it at about 18 cents. And then I actually didn't sell it. I traded it for Cardano. So I did that on March 12th because I saw Cardano was on a downtrend. So I got it at about here. And then, what I'm saying, you saw it continue to go up. I didn't take profits on it because, like I said, I believe in Cardano long term. I mean, it's going to be way more than $1.13 if you ask me. In quarter two, I see this thing being $3. So I'm not worried about a couple pennies. So this is how you keep taking profits. I sold Zilliqa here. I traded it here, or as it came up, and then I got it here. I didn't catch this because, what I'm saying, like I said, it's hard to predict the market. Well, it's not really possible. You don't know what's going to happen in the future. Got it here, and then, went back up. It's kind of settling down, but like I said, I believe in Cardano long term. So this is how you keep that line going up, because things don't just go up forever. So it went up, it went up, it went up, traded, and then went up again. You know what I'm saying? Versus, oh, I held, and I kept holding, and then it went down, and just kept going down. I mean, and then look, I mean, it's continuing to go down today. So, what I'm saying? It's just like you got to know when to take profits. You got to have some coins that you're only in it for the short term. That way you can make some quick profits and then put that towards coins that you are bullish on long term. So that's a big thing for people to do. There might be days where the whole market is down and then, another coin is up or whatever, or just one of your coins is down and the other one is up. If things are looking good for that token and you actually believe in it, then buy it when it's down. I tell y'all this all the time. Buy the dip. 2-3 weeks ago, we had all these major dips, this big market manipulation. Um, you know, Big companies, institutions were manipulating the market so that they can buy more tokens at a lower price. And I told y'all to buy the dip, and we have some 85% gains. We have some 50% gains in a very short period of time, and like in a couple of days. You know what I'm saying? So that's huge. So, like I said, for me, I'm kind of done with Zilliqa. I've tried to do more research on it. There's some people that are bullish on it. Um, I don't really see it going too crazy. If it does, I mean, okay, not worried about it. But like I said, this is how you continue to have your profits going up. When something is up, you don't buy this. You sell it, and then you buy something that's down, rather than just having cash. Because we all know, especially with the stimulus right now and all that, cash is just losing its value left and right, and it's gonna keep losing its value as a majority of the stimulus hasn't even been sent out yet. So um, instead of selling it for cash, I just went ahead and traded for another token. And that way I take those profits and turn it into more profit. Like, let's just say I was in it for the short term and I traded it here. You know what I'm saying? I could have sold it right here and, just it would have kept going, and then traded that for something else that kept going up, something else that I saw going up in the short term. And that's exactly what I did. I wanted to give a better explanation of that play I made. This is a follow up to my post called Power Plays. As I showed y'all, some or pretty much all my tokens were down. It was a red day, but then Zilliqa had a huge green day. So, and like I said, I was getting tired of Zilliqa anyway. So what I did, I took those profits and put them towards something that's down, because I know it's gonna go back up. So it would have been a good short term play if I was in it for the short term. But like I said, with ADA, this is gonna go crazy long term. That is a big trick that I don't think many new investors understand. A lot of people see the token going down and down and down. They're like, "Oh my god, bro! Let me go ahead and sell it right here. That way I just stop this. That way I put a stop loss." And then this happens, and now they're like, "Oh damn, looking foolish, looking real foolish." So you know what I'm saying? Like, this is why I tell y'all to invest in something that you understand and believe in, because then when this happens, you're gonna fold and you're gonna sell it. You're not gonna buy the dip. That's that's just trading 101. Invest in something you believe in, because when you believe in it, you're not going to be very emotionally attached, because you know where that token is going. You know what it's capable of. You know what it's going to do. However, if you're just buying something because someone told you to, like imagine some dude named who goes by Base Crypto told you to buy some token and you just bought it, didn't even know anything about it. And then this happened and you're like, "Oh, this Base Crypto guy's an idiot." And then you sold it right here, and then just for the next day, or even just a couple hours later, it does this, and now you're like, "Oh, bro," you know. So very important, very strategic thing to do, with your profits, because like I said, taking profits is never a bad thing. You don't actually profit until you trade the token, and you don't actually lose money until you trade the token. So, you know what I'm saying? I could have bought up here, I could have bought right here. I could have bought right here. And if it did this and I didn't sell it, then I didn't lose anything. You know what I'm saying? So, same way how If I bought down here and it did this and I still didn't sell it, then I still didn't make no money. You got to take profits. It's sometimes it's good to do a stop loss as well if things are just in a downtrend for the token. If you're just done with it, but however, I don't like to lose money, so I don't do that. This is why I invest in things that I believe in. That's why it's so important. So, just wanted to give y'all a rundown on that play I made and why red days aren't always a bad thing. They could be buying opportunities, especially when there's a specific token that's green. It's good to make a play like this where you're just basically doubling up on your profits. So, appreciate y'all tuning in, man. It's Travis Scott. I'm out.